Persimmon, Diospyros virginiana, and the Eboniaceae, or the ebony family. Actually native to New York, mostly a Midwestern and more southern species. Diospyros means food of the gods, and that scientific name refers to the ping pong ball size fruit that when it's ripe tastes like an apricot soaked in honey. And it makes a really delicious bread called the persimmon pudding, which is a real interesting food made in the Midwest during festivals, like in Indiana, the Persimmon Festival held each year. The leaves are not particularly unusual. They're dark green in color. They have an alternate leaf arrangement. There's no lobing. There's no serration along the margin. We happen to see this one is in flower. It's a very small flower, so it would never be planted for that reason. Persimmon is found in two kinds of places. It's found in very dry roadside habitats or old fields, and found in floodplains where it gets to be a fairly large tree. And where it gets to be a large tree, for a long time it was used as the primary source of wood for golf club drivers. Unfortunately today, fortunate for persimmon, it's no longer made out of wood, they're made out of metal. But it's a very shock-resistant wood, a beautiful wood that almost all drivers were made out of. Persimmon has a very characteristic bark. Instead of ridged and furrow, which we've seen in many other tree species, it's referred to as alligator hide-like. It's quite blocky, and those blocks become even larger with age, and the tree can have a very black appearance. We have a thicket here because it's an extensive root sucker. So if you get one tree and if you disturb it in any way, it'll form a very dense thicket. Diospyros virginiana in the ebony family, the common persimmon.